What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with your daily Doge update using technical analysis, 100% the charts, none of my opinion, just based on the charts. And man, it's really exciting what Dogecoin is doing right now. It has a lot of strength, and I'm going to show you guys here why this is basically the beginning the bull market already for Dogecoin. It started right over here, and just by looking at the charts, guys, right, the charts do not lie. As much as I would want the top to be in 2025 and there to be a bull market super cycle and for Dogecoin to keep going up into 2025 sometime in 2025, it just looks like the top is going to be in this year. Okay, if not just for Dogecoin but for the overall markets, unless, and I keep saying this because it's situational, it's all situational, unless we have a big pullback for Bitcoin, right? Unless we have something like that, which we haven't. I mean, we had a pullback to 61k, but by big pullback I mean at least to 57, 53, in the 40s maybe, right? If we don't, then I think, because look, people don't understand that bull markets are fast. They're not, especially in the crypto space. It's fast. Okay, but let's get to it. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. First off, I just want to say one of the biggest indicators here that show that, you know, the green signals here for Dogecoin starting, this clear signal for Dogecoin starting the bull market already, is this right here, the 50 and 100 MA moving average. I don't think I've seen anyone talk about this except me, for Dogecoin at least. But pay attention to this, guys. This is crazy. Okay, look at this. I put right here I changed it here. The 50 is the blue, the 100 is the green moving average. Okay, and the best way you can think of it is the green stays at the bottom because that's the grass. Okay, that was crazy, but the green is the grass, blue is the sky. So the right way, the bullish way, is the blue on top and the grass at the bottom. So that's why I put it this way. And every time the blue flips the green, so it could be right, super bullish. And that's exactly what happened right here back in, you know, March 11th, 4th or so. We can see that we did flip. Look at that. And last time this happened, by the way, I'm on the weekly. Last time this happened was right here. Right here, 2020. You see this? Last time this happened, it was right there. And what happened after that? Huge explosion to the upside. Huge explosion. We flipped back right over here when Dogecoin was around 8 cents to 9 cents. Right there. That's when we flipped back to bearish. And boom, we're back to bullish. So that is a very green signal right there that the bull market has started. And the thing, that's why I keep saying the top is going to be in this year. I believe the top is going to be in this year. So you do not want to be holding your bags into 2025, falling for the super cycle narrative that 90%, maybe 80% of the YouTubers are going to keep talking about 2025 super cycle, convince you to hold, and then boom, 2025 comes, market dumps 50%, later dumps another 40%. So you want to be alert. You want to be alert. And again, join the Telegram group. Join the free Telegram group. And my Discord is coming out this month, and it's all in the description below. So another thing, guys, I'm gonna show you here. As long as Dogecoin, we're around 21 cents right now. By the time I post this, it could be higher or lower, but this is the key level here for Dogecoin, because you can see as long as we are holding that 0.5, which is 19 to 20 cents, and I said this in my previous videos, as long as we're holding that, we are super. You can expect a Dogecoin God candle anytime, right? And my big target here, my next target where I see Dogecoin kind of stopping a bit, is that 39.40 cents. We might come up here to 20. Look, we can easily short squeeze to 27 cents, 27, 26, 28. Easily, we can short squeeze up there, stay there for a little bit, and then boom, we'll have another big short squeeze up here to 40 cents. This can happen very soon, and I said this already. I would expect Dogecoin to be 40 cents at least by the beginning. Sometime during summer, at least. I would be surprised if we're not at 40 cents sometime by summertime, including June, right? Maybe end of May, but June, July. So a lot of people might laugh at this. I've seen some comments, but you got to understand, when we have this momentum here, clear confirmation that the bull market has started for Dogecoin, it's gonna move fast. Look at this perfect example right here. Clear confirmation, right? Boom. Again, boom, right? So the bull market moves fast in the crypto space, and I want to share something here, because when you zoom out here, right, you can see that we're actually kind of looking very similar to right here. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but right, the first candle, it looks so identical. The first candle is kind of the same size. The second candle is a little bit bigger, right? And then the third candle, that was the God candle right there, right? So I mean, even right here, we have something kind of similar where the third candle is a God candle. So if we do follow this, I mean, you would expect a God candle here in April. Maybe up to, like I said, maybe to 40 cents. If we do follow these same candles as the previous bull markets. But when you also look at this, guys, and if I were to measure this here, which is another point to try to convince you guys that the top is going to be in sometime this year. Okay, because crypto bull markets, as much euphoria as there is, they are fast. They are fast, and you got to act fast, and not be a bag holder. Okay, but you can see right here, this is the length in bars here on the monthly, how long the bull market lasted. Right here, the first one, 11 bars. The second one, which was last bull market, 6 bars. Okay, so if let's get those 6 bars, let's put it right here. Right, let's say that's when it started. 6 bars would bring us to August. I'm not saying the top is gonna be in August, but I'm just showing you guys here, comparing last bull market, how fast it went here, right? 1, 2, 6 months, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 6 bars, yeah, 6 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. You bring it right here, will bring us to August. Now let's say, okay, let's say the bull market is much long lasting than the last bull market. And let's use this one, 11 bars, which is that one right there. We bring it over here. That brings us to January of 2025. Okay, which could be January or December. So at the moment, if I were to guess, I believe the bull market top would be sometime in between October through December of this year. Sometime around, yeah, around there. Again, if we have a decent pullback for Bitcoin and the overall markets, then maybe early 2025, but I just don't see it being in 2025, guys. I really don't, based on where we're at the moment. Okay, because this is confirmation that we are about to explode. Not just for Dogecoin, but for the overall markets. So, you know, we are at the last stages of the accumulation phase. You look at this was the time that you should have been accumulating, and voila, what happened? We broke through that resistance of the accumulation phase, which was 14 to 15 cents right there. We broke through it. Could we come back here and test it? Sure, but you know, if we do come back here to 14, 15 cents, I think we're just going to come back and confirm that as support. If we come back, because we can have a God candle very soon for Dogecoin. So, yeah, It's really not that simple. I mean, it's really not that hard to look at. You look at the chart right here, you can clearly see that we're gonna have a big explosion here for Dogecoin very, very soon. It's clear that the bull market is here, and it's gonna be, the top is gonna be in this year. It really is. Just looking at this, and you can see right. Let's get the Fibonacci. Boom. That 0.5 is key, like I said. As long as we hold that 0.5, we're gonna break through and eventually come here to that 0.23 at 40 cents. 40 cents Dogecoin very soon, which is basically a 2x from where we're at right now. So, and in terms of, I'm gonna make more videos as we keep going up on where to take profits, at least where I'm taking profits, not financial advice. But again, based on Fibonacci, 160, right? 160. And look, guys, I talked about where Dogecoin can go in all-time highs, and a lot of you guys commented, you know, Dogecoin can go to $5, $4 plus because of Elon. And look, I agree. Even right here, even last bull market, Dogecoin, look, if it wasn't for Elon, I think Dogecoin would have topped out here around possibly 15 cents, 14 cents maybe. But because of Elon just pushed this so, you know, with his narrative and everything that was going, like every time Elon tweeted something, Dogecoin just boom, boom, boom. And because of Elon, Dogecoin went to 75 cents. So imagine that, a coin that was 0.002, not even half a penny, the year before went to 75 cents. That's insane. So big part of that was Elon, and it went farther than what was expected. And the same thing can happen this time. If Elon, and I think Elon is smart, he's gonna have the right timing on when to have news come out and everything. So, you know, 160, I believe we'll definitely reach 160. This is the conservative right here. Conservative price, at least 160. And the 618 is actually at $4.17. So the top might be the 618. Around $4.17. Okay, let's actually use this here, and let's look here at the previous bull market. Let's see how we look here based on the previous bull market. Yeah, so like I said, look, Dogecoin, yeah, exactly what I said, guys. Look, Dogecoin last bull market, the top should have been here around 11, like I said, 12, 11, 14 cents. At the 618, the 618 was 11 cents, and that's actually where we found some kind of resistance here. We actually, Dogecoin came near it, and we found some resistance, came back down, but guess what? We bottomed here at the 0.27. Perfect bottom, look at that. And then boom, we broke through it. But here's the thing, this right here, this move that Dogecoin did, because this should have been the top, but this move that it did, my opinion, was because of Elon. Just my opinion. And you can see that Dogecoin did way better than even the Fibonacci shows it right here. Because many coins, I could show you this for many coins, a lot of coins topped out around here, right? Maybe around here, somewhere over here, but Dogecoin went even further to 75 cents. So that can very well happen again, which would probably bring it to $5 plus. But again, by the time we're there, I'm going to be holding very low amount of Dogecoin, because I'm not going to bet my whole bag on Doge going to $5 plus, betting on the fact of Elon pushing it higher. This, because there's so many factors that have to fit in for that to happen. And you know, I'm not going to hold 100%. Maybe you can hold 30% of your bag till there, maybe 20%, 50%. Everyone has a different risk reward ratio, but for me, I'll probably hold maybe 10%. I don't know, it depends on as we get closer and closer. But it basically, your strategy needs to be selling like the same way that you DCA is the same way that you DCA out. Okay, so you DCA into the fear and you DCA out of euphoria. I think that's a great That's a great model right there. I gotta make that a model. DCA into the fear, DCA out of euphoria. So let's send it on that, guys. Again, follow for more daily Doge updates. I'll bring you guys short form content on TikTok, Instagram, long form content here on YouTube. And definitely join the free Telegram. I'm active on there when I'm not live or anything like that. So love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.